Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of handwork, hand art, needlework, hand embroidery. All of these terms are attributed to one thing only. As you know that summer is in its full swing, so with this we are looking for soft, lightweight, beginner friendly, easy to make, breathable hand embroidery designs that are specifically designed for designing or making your already existing wardrobe elegant. So this video collection is absolutely great for every age group persons like office going, elderly women, mid-range teenagers, and even your baby girl dresses could also be drawn. Guys, before moving into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that the basic purpose and motive of making videos is to share creativity and design ideas only. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. And one more thing that please don't forget to like and subscribe. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, on daily basis, we try our level best to share creative, amazing, and beautiful ideas with you. And in return, we only expect your love and support so that we could grow up into a remarkable number of friends and family members. So now, guys, let's move back towards our main content that how these stylized patterns are being designed. And I am continuously requesting you that please don't forget to mention comments in the comment section about your choices of interest, that what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. So guys, in this video you are seeing very beautiful, elegant and exquisite collection of different colorful, bright light, different range color ideas of hand embroidered dresses. More frequently, they are termed as hand embroidered suits or embroidered suits that are specifically designed for uh, the persons who mostly live in uh, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, because all of these are traditional style cultural dresses. But the scope is not only limited to this, you can also make these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery on Ukrainian style dresses, on bohemian style dresses, onto your top shirts as well. So if you really like the design ideas of our today's collection, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. And the beauty and creativity of today's design is that you are not only going to get different stylized patterns of neckline, but you're also getting different stylized patterns of bodyline embroidery, neckline embroidery, sleeves embroidery, dupatta embroidery, even bottom embroidery, all of our embroidery patterns. So this video is all in one treat, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.